In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Office Outlook Exchange error 8009 stays. This error usually means Outlook can't use the secure keys it relies on to talk to Exchange, often because the device's security processor, also known as the TPM, is holding on to mismatched or corrupted credentials. We're going to refresh those keys, then sign Outlook in cleanly, and finally clear out any cached credentials that might be getting in the way. Start by opening the Start menu and launching the Windows Security app. Inside Windows Security, go to Device Security. Here, open Security Processor Details to see information about your TPM. Next, choose Security Processor Troubleshooting and select Clear TPM. Confirm the prompts. Your device may restart, and that's expected. Clearing the TPM removes stored security keys, so new, correct ones can be created the next time you sign in. Important note, if your device uses BitLocker, make sure you have the recovery key before you clear the TPM. If you're on a work-managed computer, it's a good idea to check with your IT team first. Once you're back in Windows, remove the affected account from Outlook and add it again. Open Outlook, go to your account settings, remove the problematic account, and then re-add it. Sign in with your organization credentials and approve any multi-factor prompts. This forces Outlook to request fresh keys from the security processor and rebuild a clean connection to Exchange. Next, open Control Panel and go to Credential Manager. Choose Windows Credentials. Here, look for any entries related to Microsoft Outlook or Microsoft Office. Expand those entries and remove them. These stored credentials can include outdated tokens that trigger the 8009-16 error. Deleting them won't remove your account. It only clears saved sign-in data, so Outlook can generate new valid credentials. Be careful to remove only items clearly tied to Office or Outlook. After that, relaunch Outlook and sign in when prompted. In most cases, the error disappears immediately because the TPM has been reset, your account has been freshly added, and the cached credentials have been cleaned up. If you still see the message, give the device a moment to finish background initialization, then try again. On managed devices, policies and security baselines may take a little time to resync. That's it. By clearing the TPM, re-adding the Outlook account, and removing old Windows credentials, you resolve the key mismatch at the heart of error 8009-16 and restore a secure, reliable connection to Exchange.